next few minutes, we will show you how to add inventory items. You can add, edit, and delete items using the item screen. Items can be designated as stock or non-stock items, as sellable or non-sellable, and as kit items. Before items can be created in the system, you need to have at least one account set, one category code, and one item structure already defined. The item structure uses the item segment and the segment code if segment validation is enabled. Before an item can be deleted, the item stock must be 0 at all locations, the item value must also be 0 at all locations, and the item cannot be a master or a component item in a bill of materials or kit. Let's see how to add items in Inventory Control. From Inventory Control, go to IC Items and Price Lists and select Items. Enter the item number, followed by the item description. Then enter the structure code and the category. After selecting the category, any default set in the category will be displayed here. Also enter the account set code. Please note that the structure code, category, and account set code are mandatory fields. All other fields in this tab are optional. If the item will be sold in the web store, put a check mark in the necessary field. If this will be a serial or lot number item, select the necessary field. To learn more about serial number and lot number items, watch the videos in the lesson with this name. In the Units tab, we define the units of measure. We need to select at least one unit of measure for the item and also define one as the stocking unit of measure. The stocking unit of measure is the smallest unit of measure in which you sell the item. We will have two units of measure for this example, each and case. Each is going to be the stocking unit of measure. The conversion factor is 5 as there are 5 individual items, or each, in the case. In the Taxes tab, we enter the tax authorities that may charge tax on this item. We can define the default tax class values for each tax authority. When selling items to customers, the system will determine which tax class will be used in the sales tax class column. The same will happen in purchases. When purchasing items from vendors, the system will determine which tax class will be used in the purchase tax class column. In this example, we'll use the county and state tax authorities. Verify they appear in the grid. If they don't, we need to add them. We'll leave the sales and purchase tax class at 1 as this is taxable merchandise. Let's add the item and close the window. Now please pause this video and open the document with the exercises. This document can be found in your learning package on Sage University. In order to practice creating inventory items, complete exercise 2 from the inventory items lesson. Were you able to add an item? Great! Congratulations! You now know how to create inventory items.